So let's come to our Azure portal. So locate virtual machine or use the search bar and write VM. Select virtual machine. Then once you're in this page, create a virtual machine. So here we're going to configure our VM. So we have our subscription setup. We need to create a resource group. We are going to name it agent-r G4 resource group. Then our instance detail, we want to name our virtual machine Linux agent. For the region, select the region that is closest to you or the region where you are currently located. In our demo, we're going to use North Europe. For the availability zone, we are going to use Azure selected zone. We want Azure to select it and not. For the image, we are going to go with Ubuntu 24.04. The architecture is correct. The size is going to be one vCPU and 1 gig memory. It's a free service. We don't want to spend. Authentication type, let's go with SSH public key. Our username, we leave it as is, and we want to generate a new key pair because we don't have any one at the moment. Use the RSA, key pair name is correct, and we want to leave the inbound port 22 open. Then click next. Here, we're going to select our disk. The disk size is going to be 30 gigs, that's fine. And for the disk type, we want to go with a basic one, standard HDD. Like I say, we want to save some money and not spend for this demo. And we are going to leave the key management platform. Click next. In the networking tab, we don't have any virtual network, so we are going to leave Azure create the current configuration with our subnet, and network security group. We're going to leave basic public inbound port is going to be SSH22 open. And then for the load balancing configuration, we don't have any and don't wish to have, so you can leave it for none. Next, and on the tag, we want to give it a name, and we are going to name it Linux agent. That should be good. Click review plus create and wait for the validation to pass. The validation passed, and now you can click create. Everything looks right, so you can create it. Now you are prompted to download. You need to download your private key and create a resource because we are going to use this private key to access our Azure VM.